To hold physical gold and silver in a self-directed IRA, you are required by the IRS to open an account with an approved custodian and have the custodian purchase precious metals on your behalf. A custodian can be a bank, credit union, or trust company, or an entity that's licensed and regulated by the IRS as a non-bank custodian. IRA custodians must follow IRS requirements to hold assets belonging to their clients. A self-directed IRA is an IRA held by a custodian that allows the account holder to diversify with a broad set of assets, including alternative assets, such as precious metals. U.S. Money Reserve is a provider of precious metals, not a custodian. An IRS-approved custodian can purchase gold and silver from a provider of precious metals on behalf of the IRA owner. Those precious metals are then held in an IRS-approved depository for secure storage. Self-directed IRA administrators and promoters don't meet IRS requirements to be a custodian or trust, and they can't hold assets or issue funds. Administrators and promoters are responsible only for marketing and selling, entering data, and supplying basic reports. To complete transactions, an administrator or promoter must transfer funds to and from a custodian. How do you pick a self-directed IRA custodian? Experience. Be cautious if the custodian lacks in-depth expertise. You're putting a considerable part of your financial future in their hands. Knowledge. All employees of a custodian should be able to supply comprehensive information about self-directed IRAs. Customer service. Everyone you come in contact with should be professional, friendly, knowledgeable, and efficient. When you work through U.S. Money Reserve's Gold Standard IRA program, your IRA account executive will coordinate with your custodian to set up your IRA. Call U.S. Money Reserve today for a one-on-one consultation. Click the link in the description to download your free Gold Information Kit, which will provide you with important information you should know about diversifying your portfolio with precious metals.